Hello and welcome! In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the event browser to analyze events and transients that have occurred. In order to analyze events and transients, they must first be recorded by your measurement devices. If necessary, check the recording configuration of your devices. You can open the event browser either from the GridVis desktop or from the GridVis web. In the GridVis web, open the event browser via the navigation menu. Select the devices for which events and transients are to be listed. You can adapt the device selection at any time. Set the time period you want to analyze. You can filter the list of events and transients. By default, what are known as three-phase events are hidden. These are events that occur in all three phases and are combined into one event. Three-phase events can be recognized by the red border of the event icon. These events are not included in the CBEMA chart. If necessary, you can group the list of events and transients according to various criteria. The duration of events is highlighted in color in the list. You can adapt the limit values for these markings to suit your requirements. In addition to the list, a statistical evaluation is also available. You can also display the voltage events of the selected devices in a CBEMA chart. This chart shows voltage deviations that an electronic device must tolerate as a function of the event duration. Click on an event to view details. Individual events and transients can be analyzed in more detail. To do this, click on an entry in the list of events and transients or call up the analysis via the CBEMA chart. Use the sidebar to set which data are displayed. You can adapt the display of the values to suit your requirements. Use the slider below the graph to enlarge the displayed area. The History tab lists all events and transients of the device from which the selected event was recorded. Here you can open a CBEMA chart that only includes the events of this device. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitza.de.